Hello everyone. So right now I'm at the Hazrati Imaam Square. So this is a beautiful, nice square with a lot of Islamic history around here. That's the Hazrati Imaam Mosque, Masjid. And then right over there is the board of Islamic Center of Uzbekistan. And then this right here is like a little madrasa or school, so to speak. And inside there is the Othman manuscripts of the Quran, which was brought into Uzbekistan by Amir Temur of Uzbekistan. So the actual manuscript of the 7th century of the Quran is inside. And I actually went and looked at it. It's amazing. Yep, and that's the Telashayik Mosque, which is also one of the old masjids which was built back in the days. It does look like it's closed and I don't see anybody inside right now. So it may be shut down, especially because the bigger mosque, Hazrati Imam Mosque, is open. I'm going to show you guys that in a short time. Behind this Telashayik Mosque, you can see a bigger structure there. That's going to be the new building. They're working on it. It's not open yet. So it's going to be the Islamic Center of Civilization Studies and so on. So I will try to give you guys a better look. This is the Baraka Madrassa. So it used to be like a madrasa, and right now inside it's basically just a tourist spot. People go in there and there's different shops to buy souvenirs and t-shirts and so on. So once again, that's the Islamic Center of Civilization, as you see right across here. So it's a massive building. That tree doesn't really help us, does it, to get a better view. So you can kind of see that people are working on the structures in there. Yeah, you can see like different scaffolds around to build the structure. It's going to be a beautiful and massive structure. So there is. So right now I'm trying to get to two other spots right now. The shrine of the first Imam of Tashkent city, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Imam Abu Bakr. He was the first Imam of Tashkent city, so there's a shrine for him. This whole complex is basically kind of established based off his name. So that and Imam Al-Bukhari, one of the major Imams of Islam. So right now I have reached the Imam Al-Bukhari Islamic Institute or Islamic Studies. So you can kind of see right there, it's written there, the Tashkent Islamic Institute after Imam Al-Bukhari. So I'm going to try to see if there's a way that I can get in. Lost it? So actually they do not allow people to go inside, tourists to go inside. It's mostly for students that are studying. So I tried to go inside, but it's only for students. So these are all students that are going to be going inside right now for studying purposes and so on. 1971, Tashkent Islamic Institute was established on November 1st, 1971 by the initiative of Sheikh Ziauddin Khan Ibn Shan. Okay, cool. 1971 was when it was built. So 2007 looks like it was renovated. It was a new building of Tashkent Islamic was put to place. Okay, this is the new building, 2007. It was first built in 1971. 1971 was built, 2007 was renovated. Mufti Liar Okay, okay. So I'm presuming this is the shrine of Imam Abu Bakr, the first Imam of Tashkent city. So
You know, at the time people were so much respectful, they respect each other so much, they didn't create a conflict. For the people who is coming instead, they should get their cash. If they don't cash, then they keep. And also above is mentioned Kitabah, some surah from holy book from Quran. And those the patterns are Islamic.
entering the shrine.